Hi everyone, welcome to another Cabinet Vision Guy tech tip. In this quick video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a specific assembly. And what we're going to do is we're going to add an arch to the top of this upper assembly that's on top of our base and countertop here. So if I just turn this into 3D, you'll see we've got an upper unit on top of the base and the countertop. So we're going to create an arch across the top of the assembly here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to elevation view, and typically with something like this what I like to do is draw it in CAD first in order to get myself some snap marks for when I'm shaping. It also gives me a rough idea of how the assembly is going to look. Now to start me off, I'm going to delete all the face and interior components. So if I double click on this from elevation view, if I've got the preference sections assembly in elevation view enabled, that will allow me to get rid of everything that I don't need. And then from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to head into CAD. I'm going to make sure I've got my snap marks turned on, and I'm going to start off just by drawing a line across the top of the assembly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset that line down, and I'm going to move it down by about 300. And then I'm going to choose the bend tool up at the top here, and I'm just going to bend this back to the snap mark that I created when I initially added some CAD in there. From here what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the assembly and choose edit shape, and then I'm going to draw in a chained line across here, and I'm just going to follow the same bend using the same bend tool. And then from here what we can do is a trim delete and get rid of all the bits we don't need. Go back to select the top of our assembly and make sure we've got the side type set correctly. And then from here, if we hit return, we can then double click back again on our assembly, go to section interior, and then we can start to split the interior of this assembly up as we see fit. Obviously, if we go back to section face and we add a pear door in there, we should have a set of doors applied to the assembly as well. Hopefully you found this tech tip useful. If there's anything else you guys want to see, just feel free to comment on this. I am working through some of the backlog of tech tips that we've asked for, so if you haven't seen yours already, you will see it in the near future. Feel free to give us a like, share and subscribe. We're also on Facebook, that's facebook.com/thecabinetvisionguy, and Instagram too, that's instagram.com/thecabinetvisionguy. Cheers!